On top of the sadness at Paris Dauphine University, there's anger.
We have a justice system that doesn't work. The suspect had an expulsion order. He was supposed to leave France, but instead he was casually wandering around Paris.
It's not normal that a man who should have been under house arrest was allowed out. The law wasn't respected.
The rape and killing of 19-year-old student Philippine, and the fact that the suspect, Taha O, was supposed to be deported and wasn't, has inflamed political tensions in France, where the new right-wing government plans to crack down on immigration. France's new interior minister, who's vowed to boost law and order, said the country's legal arsenal needed to develop to protect the French. So what went wrong in this case? Convicted for a rape committed in 2019 when he was a minor, Taha O was sentenced to 7 years in prison and expulsion at the end of it. But he was released in June, then placed in administrative detention, while the French authorities issued a request for a consular pass to Morocco. It finally came through in early September, by which time a judge had freed Taha O on condition he reported regularly to the authorities.
It's quite surprising because he hadn't been in the detention centre for the maximum of 90 days yet. So we should really ask what reason the judge gave in order to release him.
Just before the student's murder, the suspect had been placed on a wanted list because he'd flouted the conditions of his release. France routinely issues deportation orders, but only around 7% of them are enforced, compared to 30% across the European Union.